I first learned how to shoot photos in a small town in Indiana. A lot of people comment on our videos saying that they can't take photos like us because they don't live in a city like Los Angeles.
What I hear when I'm being yelled at is people caring loudly at me.
The fact is we spend a lot of time shooting in less than glamorous locations, and it forced us to get creative.
So in today's video, we went back to Indiana to show you how you can shoot great photos without beautiful backdrops, access to cool studios, or professional lighting, or models. The truth is, it can be as easy as stepping into a garage or basement.
Locate a room that provides good natural light and shut off all of your other light sources. In this case, we want light coming from the windows, but we'll close the garage to keep the portraits moody and our backdrop darker, so as not to distract from our subject.
We don't want objects in our scene to distract from our portrait, so remove items from the frame that are brightly colored, have distracting logos or text, or may appear to come out of your subject's head. Get creative with what you have. Throw down a neutral colored towel or blanket to hide distracting objects while still maintaining some interest in the background.
Get your subject to interact with props that make sense for your scene. For example, instead of just putting Megan on a chair, we put her on a bike in the garage and a desk in the basement. Both of these props were already in their respective rooms, made sense in the scene, and helped integrate Megan into the scene.
Recap. 1. Find your light. 2. Eliminate distractions. 3. Utilize props you already have.
We want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. You've seen us use Skillshare time and time again for a variety of things. Rachel made a flower crown for a photo shoot with Carlton, and I made the most delicious gourmet grilled cheese sandwich for a shoot and, well, to eat.
We've been using it for a few years and recommend it to anyone who wants to take their skills to the next level. If you want to learn something new, such as retouching in Photoshop, drawing in Illustrator, or learning about the business side of being a creative, Skillshare has that and over 18,000 classes for you to learn from.
And right now, the first 500 people to sign up with our link will get their first 2 months absolutely free. Click the link in the description to get started today.
We want you to take our basement challenge. If you don't have a basement or garage, get creative with what you do have and use the hashtag Mango Street Basement Challenge so we can check them out.
Like,
and
subscribe,
or
whatever.
see you next week.